According to a tweet from Indian Aerospace Defence News, IADN, Hindustan Aerospace Limited is looking at the Philippines as a potential user of Tejas Mk-1A fighter jets. This offer comes as the delivery of the BrahMos shore-based anti-ship missile system is coming to the Philippines this year. Another offer has been made to the Philippine Air Force. Hindustan Aerospace Limited is again offering 12 units of HAL Tejas Mk-1A fighter jets from India to the Philippine Air Force at a low price and several support packages. The Tejas Mk-1A fighter jet is far cheaper than the FA-50PH, but it is also a capable fighter aircraft. If it is acquired under Horizon 3, this would boost the deterrent capability of the Philippine Air Force, with its capability to launch the BrahMos supersonic anti-ship missiles. At the time, some reports stated that the HAL Tejas Mk-1A variant would cost $42 million, allowing the Philippines to procure 12 aircraft at half the price quoted by Lockheed Martin and Saab. The Indian government has also offered credit facilities to the Philippine government to purchase Indian-made ships, helicopters, and fighter jets. This would relate to India's offer aimed at strengthening the relationship between the two countries in a way that the Philippine Coast Guard could consider as it upgrades its air units to carry out maritime surveillance, search and rescue, and maritime law enforcement. Miguel Miranda, a Philippines-based South Asian defense industry analyst, recently said that it will help if the Indian government has a list of all-weather friends who have unlimited access to the best Indian military technology. Many Philippines-based analysts have advocated evaluating India's LCA Tejas Mk-1A light combat jets for the Philippine Air Force's requirements since they are nearly half the price of the Gripen E on offer. And the recent sale of the BrahMos cruise missile system by India to the Philippines has opened up the possibility of future exports for air-launched BrahMos ING and Astra Mk-1A-AMs to be equipped on the Tejas Mk-1A. Tejas Mk-1A fighter jets are capable of carrying air-to-air missiles, R-73, I-Derby, Python 5, ASRA-AM, Astra Mark 1 R-77, air-to-surface missiles, KH-59ME, KH-59L, KH-59T, AASM Hammer, BrahMos ING ALCM, anti-radiation missile, Rudram 1, and anti-ship missiles, KH-59MK, KH-35, BrahMos ING. The Eurasian Times spoke to Philippines-based military analyst Miguel Miranda. She said, "I think the HAL Tejas Mk-1A will have strong export prospects in any region where local air forces have limited modernization plans and can only make small acquisitions for light combat aircraft." That being said, New Delhi hasn't moved quickly enough in Manila to lay the groundwork for a deal, winning over the National Leadership and Defense Ministry, and the Philippine Air Force, after years of careful assessment, has settled on a face-off between the F-16CD and the JAS-39 Gripen. The speculations about LCA Tejas being pitched to the Philippines were made after the $375 million export contract for the BrahMos anti-ship missiles was signed between the two countries. The deal was inked by Delfin N. Lorenzana, Defense Secretary of the Philippines, and Atul Dinker Rain, Director General of BrahMos Aerospace. The Philippine Air Force is looking to procure light multirole fighters that can be used primarily to fight insurgents. The Philippine Air Force operates the FA-50 from South Korea, which is classified as a light combat aircraft. But Manila wants light jets that are much more capable than their recent acquisition and are far more capable fighter aircraft.